getting back to the big story that we began with when we talk about fugitive diamond heir Mehul Choksi. Now, what is being said according to sources that the injuries that Republic First showed you the pictures of Mehul Choksi while he was in the custody of Dominica police there, and the injuries that were shown, what is being talked about, the other bruises as well, saying that the nail injury on his body is an old one, while the bruises could be new and could have been caused by even a slightest push. Now, what we are getting to know as far as Mehul Choksi is concerned, who is still admitted in the Dominica China Friendship Hospital and he's in the custody of the Dominican authorities, what is being said so far that these injuries are very common when a fugitive is nabbed by cops. Let me go across now to Shivani, because there is a theory that is being floated that he has been abducted, he's been kidnapped, and that is the reason why that he got so many injuries there, and that was the focal point when those pictures were released as to on his face, on his hands, on his eye, those injuries, that injury marks that were shown. But this is a completely different news that we are getting to know as far as his injuries is concerned. Some of them are even said to be old one, some of them are also said to be in a kind of a scuffle that he may have received those injuries while in an escape bid, rather a failed escape bid, what is being said to China, he was caught by the Dominican authorities. To Cuba, I beg your pardon.
Amita, each day more and more evidences are coming up to expose the lies, the theory being put forth by Mehul Choksi and his lawyers. And now the unnamed doctors from the Dominica China Friendship Hospital, where right now Mehul Choksi is undergoing treatment, have told Republic clearly that the kind of injuries Mehul Choksi has been showing and claiming that they've been given by the abductors, and there are nail injuries. So the doctors are denying. They say the kind of injuries that Mehul Choksi has have nothing to do with abduction injuries, because these are the slightest marks that take place on the body when a fugitive tries to escape and the police tries to catch hold of the fugitive. The injury of a nail mark that has been claimed by the lawyers is an old injury that has been clarified by these doctors, Amita. Another one important thing which the lawyers were claiming was that Mehul Choksi was being given electric shocks. But the doctors have clearly denied the fact. They have said that his health is fine. Only slight injury marks are there which seem to be of that escape between the scuffle between the police and when he must have tried to escape. And there is nothing like a shock being given to Mehul Choksi. So each day more and more evidences are coming ahead that are busting this theory, that are busting the lies, and Mehul Choksi and his family and his lawyers who've been trying to play a victim card is getting faltered and failed by these evidences. So now we've also seen the pictures of another
lawyers there to defend him. As far as hearing is concerned, that will be taking place tomorrow. That will be resuming rather, but he continues to remain getting treatment in the Dominica China Friendship Hospital that he currently still is in the custody of the Dominican authorities there. Shivani, hello Maman, thanks very much for joining us live.